From this equation, find out the value of x. How? First we can write this term, the log 10 to the power x, so 10 base, and this is the x, and divide the log 10 base, and this is the 2. This is the 2 and this is the x, and base is 10. We can write this, and similarly we can write the log 10 base, and this is x, and this is the log 10 base, and this is the 3, and this is equal to 5. And now we take this log 10 base and this x we take common, and so there is the 1 by, and this value log 10 to the power 2, and this is, so we can write this is the, and this we can write the log 10 to the power 3, this 10 base of 3. And now this log 10 base and this x, and there 10 log 10 base, and there's 2 value is the 0.301, and this log 10 base and 3 value is 0.477. so this is equal to 5. So log 10 base of x, and this is value is 3.32 approximately this, and this is approximately value is 2.096, and this is equal to 5. From here we can write the log 10 base of x, this, and there is the, this is plus, so there is the value is 5.416, this is equal to 5, and log 10 base of x, and this is divide is here approximately, this is approximately, so this divide is here, so there is the 416, and log 10x, and this is approximately value is the 0.923, and we know the formula. If the log a to the power b x is equal to b, so we can write the x is equal to a to the power b. We can write this is log base is a, and this x is equal to b, so x is equal to, this is base, and this you can write this. So similarly there is the 10, so x is equal to, we can write the 10 to the power this 923, and x is equal to again the approximately this value 10 to the power 0.923 value is 8.37. so find out the x value is 8.37 approximately this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.